Today we're going to install the Fab 4's rear bumper on this 2019 Jeep Wrangler JL. Let's go ahead and get started. This particular Jeep had an aftermarket bumper on there. We have already removed it. If you've got the factory bumper, there's some things that have to come off. That's all spelled out for you in your instruction manual. Let's go take a look at the bumper. Now, I've already gone ahead and transferred the sensor harness and the sensor housings over to this bumper. I've tied everything off. There are holes in the framework of the bumper that allow you to pass the sensor harness through there and tie everything into place. Now I'm going to go ahead and flip it upside down and attach the aesthetic panels. Here's one of the aesthetic panels. They both install the exact same way. Just line them up to the holes that are already there. Now these holes here are already threaded behind. If there's powder coat inside there, you might want to chase that out with a tap from a tap and die set. I've got some of the stainless steel hardware now. I slid one of the washers in place. It's got the isolator with it. I've also already applied a little bit of anti-seize to it. You want to put anti-seize on all of your stainless steel hardware. Go ahead and thread it in place and don't tighten it down just yet. These holes back here do not have weld nuts. So what we're going to do, same thing with the stainless steel hardware and with the bolt in the washer. That's going to go through the top. On the bottom, we're going to follow that with a flat washer, lock washer, and a nut. Get that finger tight for now. Once you have that finger tight, use a 7/32 Allen wrench to tighten down these down below. And use that same 7/32 Allen wrench up at the top to hold it in place while you tighten with a 9/16 on the nut. This one over here, you're going to hold the nut in place while you tighten it up top with the 7/32 Allen wrench. Now that we have the bumper completely assembled, we're going to go ahead and lift it up to the frame. We're going to use the OEM hardware and put 2 bolts into the side of the frame on the passenger side, 2 bolts into the side of the frame on the driver's side, and 2 bolts through the bottom of the frame on the driver's side. Now I can go ahead and reconnect the harness. Well, that concludes the installation. If you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.